Haribol, and welcome to the fourth lesson of hand practice mantras. Today we are going to learn what is both a hand practice mantra as well as a new class of mantra called a Hatuti. In Bengali, the word Hatuti is comprised of two parts. Hat means hands, and uti means to awaken or awakenness. So Hatuti is kind of a mantra that awakens your hands, you can say. So today's mantra is, now there are two ways of saying it. I'm going to give you both of them. The first way is Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghena. Again, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghena. Later, as this gets much faster, it's called Da Guru Guru Da Guru Guru Da Guru. Da Guru Guru Da Guru Guru Da Guru Da Guru Guru Da Guru Guru Da Guru. Now, this is a mantra that when you practice it, eventually you want to get it to be able to a very fast speed. And when you do that, as you speed up, you've got to make sure that you're always playing every single hit crisply. This is a mantra that people tend to take shortcuts on. Since you're learning this from the ground up, and you're learning these hand practice mantras one by one, you do not want to take shortcuts. And I will show you how to do it properly so that you do not take shortcuts and you can play it very crisply. The first part, Jha. Very simple. It's an open hit on both the Baya and the Daya. Baya and Daya is four fingers at the Da, and Ge on the Baya side. Jha. Jha Ghenere. Now, Ghenere is three hits. This is where people take shortcuts. Whenever you play Ghenere, you must play all three hits. Ge, ne, re. Ge, ne, re. Ge is the open on the Baya. Ne is the four fingers closed. And re is the open thumb sound. Ghenere. When you play it fast, Ghenere is contracted to Guru. Guru. The same word guru that you use for describing spiritual leaders or great yogis or your spiritual master. Guru. That's the same as Jha Ghenere. Jha Ghenere. Then the next part is Ghena. Jha Ghenere Ghena. Ghena is very simple, it's just Ge and Na. Na is the same as Ta, four fingers open. Jha Ghenere Ghena. So then the mantra cycles back on itself one more time. Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena. Okay, and then it ends with Jha Ghena. Very simple. So the mantra goes Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghena. And that's one repetition. Then you start again, and then that would be a second repetition. Let's go through it slowly to get a feel for how it goes. Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghena. Now notice, in this mantra, there's just a constant steady hit on the big side. Just a constant ge, ge, ge. And that's going to come into play as you get faster and faster. If you don't hear that constant ge, then you know you're doing something wrong. So it should be a constant gauge. Okay? So make sure you play every single hit correctly. Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghena. Now, as you get faster and faster, this mantra will contract to a different version. The Jha becomes a Da, which is basically the same thing. Jha. Jha Guru. Guru is a short contraction for Ghenere. Sorry. Guru. Guru. It's three hits. All three hits must be played in succession. Then the Ghena is shortened to Gur. G-U-R, gur. Jha gur guru. Or da guru guru, da guru guru, da gur. Da guru guru, da guru guru, da gur. So it's a lot easier to say that it's fast paced. Da guru guru, da guru guru, da guru, da guru guru, da guru guru, da guru. Yes, at some point you will be playing it that fast. So let's see how it progresses as you get faster and faster. Starts as Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghenere Ghena, Jha Ghena. And it gets faster. That's at that point it's da guru guru, da guru guru, da guru, da guru guru, da guru guru, da guru, da guru guru, da guru guru, da guru. Thank you very much.